I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dolls that I grew beside. All the niggas round me.
Today's video, not sponsored. This is something that I purchased with my own money because I saw this video on TikTok. A young lady was styling this wig and I was like, I have to have it. So this is Sensational Butter Lake. This is Ocean Wave in the inch 30 and I got the color 1B. This is what she looks like right out of the pack. It's giving body wave for sure. It's really cute. So it looks like it could be 30 inches for real. It's really long. So the cap construction, it looks like it's gonna be a T part almost. Minimal lace in the front and then like a little lace in the middle. 2 combs on the side, comb in the back, adjustable strap. I'm gonna take my airbrush legs by Sally Hansen and this is in the color Deep Glow and I'm just gonna spray that all over the lace. So this is what she looks like right out of the pack. I think it is true to length because it pretty much goes all the way down to my waist and I'm about 5'8", so I think it is pretty true to life with the 30 inches, but it looks like it also does have some layers. So I'm gonna go ahead and install her, come back and tell you guys my thoughts. Okay, so while we let our lace marinate, let's comb this out. What it looks like all brushed out. It's super pretty. It definitely is the full 30 inches.
Tell me what you think about me. I buy my own diamonds and I buy my own rings. Only ring your celly when I'm feeling lonely. When it's all over, please get up and leave. Question, tell me how you feel about this. Try to control me, boy, you get dismissed. Pay my own car note and I pay my own bills. Always 50-50 in relationships. The shoes on my feet, the clothes I'm wearing, the rock I'm rocking. Depend on me if I want it. The watch I'm wearing, the house I live in, the car I'm driving. I depend on me. I depend on me.
Guys, so that is the end of the video. I'm excited to tell you guys about this wig. So she is a 30-inch unit, so I think the length is true. Only downsides I have about this wig is the tangling towards the bottom, but that is normal because it's a longer synthetic unit, so it'll tangle up towards the bottom, but it's nothing too crazy. Like, I'm able to run my fingers through it, and you know, I'm getting a little tangling, but I think it's fine. Because this lace is almost like a T-part unit, the lace it was hard for me to lay it down because the lace on the sides is like so scarce. Like in the middle part you get a whole bunch of lace, but then on the sides they give you minimal lace. So it was a little difficult for me to lay it down, but once I was able to grab hold of it and lay it down, I had no other problems. But other than that, this wig is bomb. 10 out of 10. No shedding, which is good because I did receive tangling, so tangling and shedding is never good. So I got no shedding. And yeah, the hair is super soft. It really looks like a human hair wig, which is really good. It's not too shiny. It's really pretty. I really like it. I saw somebody on TikTok review it and I was like, I need this wig. My wig off of Amazon. Not everybody has Amazon Prime, but I will be sure to find some extra links. All that stuff will be down in the description box. But yeah, y'all, this wig is super cute. I really love it. Like, I'm in love with it. This is what it looks like in its natural state. I brushed it out a while ago, and now I'm kind of just like, this is just what it looks like when it goes, you know, back to its natural state. So I think it looks really good if you just brush it and kind of leave it alone. I really like this wig. Like, I think she's really pretty. And she's 30 inches, so can't go wrong with really, really long hair. If you guys are interested in this wig, be sure to check the description box. I'll have some links down there for you guys to check out. This video, give it a big thumbs up. Let me know down in the comment section what you thought about this wig. And if you do try it, let me know what you thought. Subscribe to my channel. Hit that post notification button so you're notified every time your girl uploads a new video. And I will see you guys in my next upload. I love you guys so much.